Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a cat eye eyeliner look, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so first you're going to prep the eyes using the Too Faced Born This Way medium to full coverage foundation. So you're going to open that, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. So I'm just going to open it. So I'm gonna just prep my eyes. So just put one, and I'm gonna use the Zoeva Rose Golden Buffer brush. So after that's done, I'm just gonna get my Nude by Nature powder fluffy brush to apply from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, the shade White Chocolate here. You guys can see, to ensure my eyes don't move throughout the day. Okay, so once that's done, you're gonna get the Zoeva Wing Liner 317 brush, and using to apply the NYX Primal Colors press pigment in the shade Hot Black. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap it in, and you're gonna just shake it a bit and then tap off the excess. And then after, you're gonna get the MAC prep+prime Fix Plus spray and just spray it once. And just shake. Make sure you squeeze. Make sure you squeeze the brush. Press it together, just so it's more fine. And I'm just gonna apply the eyeliner. When you're doing wing eyeliner, you're gonna wanna point the wing towards the eyebrow tail, the end of the eyebrow tail. So I'll show you guys. So just do this. And then from the outer edge, outer corner of the eye, you're just gonna wanna do like this. Okay, so I'll show you guys. And then, so you're gonna use the tip. So after that's done, you're gonna want to clean up here. So just using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in that same color. I'm just going to dab and also just wipe it and blend everywhere. So after that's done, using the Essence Casual pencil in the shade 21 Fill the Eclipse. Just going to apply it on my lash line. Okay, so after I've curled my eyelashes, I'm going to apply some mascara. So using the Stila Glamour Eyes mascara, and I don't know if these have colours. So it's the Stila. And I think this is the shade number T1 4A. And I'm just going to apply that on my lashes. So I'm going to get it and just remove the excess on the top. And then you're just going to want to look and then just blink. And just get these hairs here by using the top of the mascara spoolie gently. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to bronze my cheeks and my face. So using the Ilia bronzing powder in the shade Baby Girl by MAC, which is dedicated to the late Ilia. I'm just going to bronze up using this Nude by Nature angled contour brush. I'm just going to put it in, tap the excess. And then we're going to, using the same brush, dip in to the Lancome Long Lasting Powder Blusher in Blush Subtle. Just going to remove the plastic and the brush. And with the bronzing powder on, I'm going to dip into the Lancome blush. Maybe give it like 3 times because this is very like subtle. You're just going to slowly do this to make your cheeks come out. And just go like this. Cheekbones. Go on the outer edges. My temples. Just up further, top of my forehead. You're going to tap into the bronzing powder again. And then tap into the blush 3 times. And go over again. And after you're done with the cheeks, you're gonna just get the bronzing powder, tap in. Oh, sorry. You're just gonna get the bronzing powder, tap in, using the same brush, just go over the temples. The temples, bronze it up, and the outer edge, your face. Just contour the nose. And yeah, you're basically done with that. And then the last step, you're going to apply some highlighter. So using the Zoeva Rose Golden highlighter brush, just going to use the Hyper Real Glow MAC highlighting palette. And I'm just going to open it. And I'm going to use the pinky off-white highlighting shade here. And I'm just going to tap the excess off. And yeah. So I'm just going to apply that on my top of my cheekbones. highlight the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin, and my forehead. And then under my eyebrows. Okay, after the highlight's done, guys, the final touch is adding some lipstick. So we're going to be using the NARS Velvet Matte Lipstick in Dolce Vita. And it's like this reddish, rosy toned colour. I'm just going to apply that on my lips. And it's the final look, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos. And follow me on Instagram at thisisAlane. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye!